This brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get a lot of courses for just $7 or $8 a month. So you will get access to all the courses and tutorials of Skillshare. So I've been on Skillshare for a while and I really like it, and you can get a lot of courses to learn from. Over here, I search for WordPress. If you want to learn WordPress, search for WordPress. If you want to learn Python, search for Python. If you want to learn for digital marketing, you can search for digital marketing. So to get a lot of stuff, I would just want to show you that's very cool, and I want to help you with creating your own for your own website, and you can get a lot of courses by professionals. So yeah, all those most beautiful courses. So okay, that was what I want to show you. It's a really quick video to help you out and to create your very own website today without any high cost. So this is my course set over here, my Elementor course. I'm gonna click on it, and I got a lot of good courses. And as you know, I was an instructor on Udemy for 120,000 students. And right over here, you can follow the course. So if you want to follow my course, the link is in the description, and I will happy to see you there. Cool.